Welcome to Kathy's Hobby Corner.
Hey guys, I was out here checking and some of our blackberries are done. I have to be careful because you don't like see a bird got that one. Something got up in here and got it. Something ate on it. Those need to get a little darker. Those need to get a little darker. Oh, there's one. A little crusty on it, but it is decent. Wasp. Then the berries. I have to check the other side. They pop right off when they're ready. I have to put this netting up because the birds get in here and they eat on them. I need to put a netting down here. It's almost ready. That one's almost ready too. Almost ready. And I let it get a little darker. You know what they say? Darker the bird, sweeter the goose. Let's see. First time. Look guys, we got flowers opening up all over the tomatoes. We're gonna have to brace them in a little bit. Put something down here so they can grapple onto it. Some of our poles. Alright, back to my blackberries. Don't see none over here. Birds be landing on the top and bending the branches. Yeah, those are gonna be nice when they get ready. Oh, something already got to that one. Look at that. Yeah. I'm gonna let that one get a little redder. Hopefully the bugs won't eat them up. We'll put the netting back down. That may deter some of the birds and whatever else is sneaking in to eat some of our berries.
Her hands tend to seeds, her heart takes